So, andito tayo ngayon sa Azure Boracay Building to check a new foreclosed condo unit. 8th floor po tayo. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. Around 30 square meters. 1 bedroom or studio. Bahala na kayo kung anong gusto nyong itawag. And then ito yung bathroom niya, very spacious. Ayan. And this is around 4.2 million regular price. Okay, discounted price for approval is around 3.8 million. And this is available in cash or at least 20% down payment and then 80% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. So meron siyang balcony. And facing amenities siya. Ayun oh. 'Di ba? Kitang-kita yung wave pool, yung lap pool, and then meron din tayong kiddie pool diyan. Okay. So, yan. Maganda siya kasi facing amenities. Okay. And as you can see, maayos pa naman yung unit natin. May mga gamit nga lang siya. As is where is po tayo dito upon turnover. So lahat ng movables inside the unit are included in the sale. Okay? First come first serve po tayo dito. So, ideal to for end use or for passive income. And madali itong parentahan because may balcony siya tapos facing pa ng amenities. O di ba ang ganda? O. Kitang-kita nyo lahat na nagsiswimming dyan, oh. Yan. Yan ang view niya. So again, if you're interested, message us directly. Ganda ng swimming pool nila dito. Ayan, oh. Ito yung lap pool, infinity. And then meron pa tayong kiddie pool dito. Is na may enjoy mo. Yung lap pool nila. Yung kiddie pool. Game room. And then dito yung gym nila. Meron silang free weights and machines. And basketball court. Ganda rito. Ito yung isang swimming pool dito. Ayan. For unit owners lang yan. Hindi yan pinapagamit sa mga nag-staycation or nag-Airbnb. Pati yung lap pool nila for unit owners lang. Okay? Yung beach inspired, yung wave pool lang ang pwede for both unit owners and sa mga nag-staycation.